Meaning of firelighter.
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 Firelighter. A firelighter is a small, flammable object used to ignite a fire. It is typically made of materials such as sawdust or wax mixed with chemicals that allow it to burn easily and for a sustained period of time. Firelighters are commonly used for starting fires in fireplaces, grills, or campfires. They are especially useful for igniting damp or hard-to-burn materials. Using a firelighter can be a convenient and efficient way to start a fire, and can help ensure a safe and controlled flame.